Welcome. I am so glad you are here today. We need to talk about the 3 ways to create organic urgency because urgency is so powerful in marketing. It's a prerequisite to unlock more revenue in your business. But if you do not use it carefully and strategically in an authentic way, people will start to lose trust with your brand and they'll feel like, oh, this is just another vanity ploy. This is just them trying to get more money out of me. There's a way to strategically orient your marketing copy, whether you're using email marketing, website copy, a landing page, an ebook, a sales page, whatever it is. There's a way to use organic urgency. So let's get to it. Number one, current events. Look at what's happening around you. I like to use this for my clients in magnetic emails, and I do this through talking about current events in the news. We talk about what's happening seasonally, and then we use a natural transition to use something that's similar. For example, we're heading into winter right now. Most people are thinking about what their business is going to be doing in 2025. And so you can naturally create a transition by talking about the winter season and then flipping it to say, hey, these are the 3 steps you can take to save more money in 2025, to get out of debt in 2025, to accomplish X, Y, and Z, whatever your solution is in 2025 and beyond. Number 2, you can create enrollment periods in your business, even if you are a high ticket service provider. Enrollment periods are when you have these seasons in your firm where you're taking clients for 2 weeks at a time, 7 days at a time, 21 days at a time, whatever it is. But you have these seasons month to month in your business. The rest of the time, you're doing pre marketing, you're doing education, but people have to enroll at a certain time to work with you. This works super well for group coaching programs. This works really well when you're having people that you want to educate through some type of course that you create on the other side of your firm. Because what a lot of companies are doing, especially in the age of AI and with everything happening in the economy, they're diversifying their service suite to also include courses and programs. Okay. And number 3, you want to add an additional free ebook resource. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I have to really create another resource? I want you to change your mind. Think of it as a privilege to be able to create another resource for your audience, especially if you have an email list of like 10,000 to 30,000 people upwards. That's a lot of contacts that are super valuable. And you should be asking, how can I show up every day to serve this person more in depth? Instead of saying, hey, how can I make more money from them? How can I serve them on an even higher level? You can do this through creating white papers and ebooks designed specifically for your email list. So you're not using this as a lead magnet. You're sending this ebook to your email list. And guess what? One of my clients recently, they had a $23,000 week and signed 4 additional clients in their firm by using this ebook strategy. Most firms are not willing to do the due diligence to go the extra mile of creating this type of resource. But when you go above and beyond for your audience, they go above and beyond to work with your firm. Talk soon. Also, let me know what your biggest takeaway was down below, and check out the link in my bio at Tiffy G Writes to book a one-to-one session if you'd like to create one of these high quality ebooks before 2025 so you can have your high revenue seasons in business. Talk soon.